more than 30 authors claiming that the Philippines is the biblical Ophir.
You did a book, you made the research, and nakita mo na Philippines is the land of Ophir. Are there any scholars that you have encountered wherein it has the same discovery as you had na ito talaga si land of Ophir? And the problem is, it's not out there. Yung data, wala yung document. But there are a lot of historians, people really talking about Philippines is Ophir.
Yes, there are a lot po na na-discover ko sa mga books. Katulad po ni yung books po ni Paterno na he also claimed that the Philippines is also the biblical Ophir. Then I suddenly read a lot of books coming from the historical books naman from Duarte Barbosa diary, and it's been a book now known as the Libro de Barbosa. It is written in Spanish, so I tried to translate it. So when I got the translation, he believes that the Philippines is also the biblical Ophir. Then suddenly a lot are coming. So that was year 2010 when I got more than 30 authors claiming that the Philippines is the biblical Ophir. We have Samuel Purcas, we have Juan Medina, Antonio Galvano, and even the historians, Manle Ole, he also knew that the Philippines is the biblical Ophir.
For the sake of our audience, sino si Paterno?
Paterno was a Filipino, he's a Filipino writer also po.